It's football in Africa.
And the fans are showing their appreciation. Number 15 for Nigeria, Ikechukwu Uche, on the dot of 9 minutes and 20 seconds.
Watch Nigeria qualify for the World Cup 2010 live and exclusive on Darsat, and you could watch the World Cup live in South Africa. 15 lucky subscribers will be offered an all-expense-paid trip to South Africa to witness the World Cup. And if Nigeria qualifies, Darsat subscribers can celebrate the success with a once-in-a-lifetime unforgettable mystery prize. Take advantage of the Road to South Africa 2010 special offer and save 55% on the cost of your Darsat HD decoder today. For only 18,000 Naira, you get a Darsat decoder HD picture quality plus 1 month free subscription while stocks last.
Thousands of trees meditating.
Africa has found its voice. Watch out.